Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I am going to show you how can you see others Bereal without posting. So at first, just go to the Bereal app. Now into the Bereal app, click on in the top discovery option. Now here you can see you cannot just see others Bereal. Now you can just do one thing. Click on the top my friends option and click on take your Bereal. You can just cover your cameras and it is close to without posting. Now just click on the bottom send option. Now again click on the top discovery option. And here you can just see others Bereal. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.